Did you know that 33% of all boiler accidents are caused by one thing, a failed low water cutoff? That little control can mean the difference between a safe boiler and a catastrophic event. The low water cutoff is your boiler's last line of defense. It shuts off the burner when the water drops too low. If it fails, the boiler can keep firing with no water, overheating the metal, and eventually leading to a rupture or an explosion. That's why testing and maintaining this device should be a top priority. Let's go over how to test it and what to look for. For float-type low water cutoffs, open the blowdown valve while the boiler is running. You should hear the burner shut off almost immediately. If it doesn't, shut down the boiler and investigate. For probe-type low water cutoffs, shut down the boiler and simulate a low water condition or use the test button if equipped. These need to be cleaned regularly. Corrosion and sludge can prevent proper operation. Here are a few ways to keep your low water cutoff reliable. Blow it down weekly for float types. Clean probe types annually. Inspect for corrosion, debris, or wiring issues. Never bypass or jump a dot. You'd be surprised at how often that happens. I've seen boiler rooms where the low water cutoff hasn't been tested in years, and I've seen the aftermath of a boiler that dry fired because of a failed low water cutoff. It's not pretty. We're talking thousands of dollars in damage or more. Testing your low water cutoff takes 5 minutes, and it can prevent 33% of accidents. Seems like a pretty good trade-off to me. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. This is Ray Wolfarth with Boiler Room Detective, where we keep your boiler safe, efficient, and a little less mysterious. My boiler books are available at Pronto Heating Supplies in New York, T.F. Campbell in Western Pennsylvania, and online at Amazon. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next case.